Did you know that scientists may have discovered a habitable eyeball in space? No? Well, let's get into it. We all know that the universe has no shortage of strange exoplanets. TOI-1798c, for example, experiences an entire year in less than half an Earth day. WASP-130b is distorted into the shape of a rugby ball, and a whole collection of exoplanets known as superpuffs have densities similar to that of cotton candy. Now we have a whole new weirdo being added to this collection of space oddities, an eyeball super-Earth. LHS 1140b, it orbits around a low-density M-type main sequence star, otherwise known as a red dwarf, that's roughly 1/5 the size of our sun. It was discovered some 48 light years away from Earth in 2017. Astronomers originally guessed that the exoplanet was a mini Neptune, meaning that it sported Neptune-like characteristics, a gas giant with a thick hydrogen-rich atmosphere in a pint-sized package. But after analyzing new data from the James Webb Space Telescope, along with ancillary data from Spitzer, Hubble, and TESS, astronomers from the University of Montreal argue that the planet is actually a rocky super-Earth, 5.6 times the mass of our own home planet. However, LHS 1140b's most startling characteristic is the melted, watery, 2,500-mile-wide pupil potentially residing on its surface. Formed by its tidally locked position with its host star, this means that every 24 days, an unblinking eye, 1.7 times the size of Earth, finishes a complete rotation around its host star. And LHS 1140b is incredibly close to its star, with an orbital radius of just about 9% of the distance from Earth to the Sun. If our Sun, a G-type main sequence star, was replaced with LHS 1140, it absolutely roasts the planet's surface. But because the star is a cooler, low-mass red dwarf, this eyeball planet rests firmly within its Goldilocks zone, where temperatures are just right for the liquid water to exist. Despite the exoplanet's potentially strange appearance, astronomers are interested in the eyeball super-Earth for other important reasons. Charles Cadeau, a PhD student of the University of Montreal, said, of all our currently known temperate exoplanets, LHS 1140b could well be our best bet to one day indirectly confirm liquid water on the surface of an alien world beyond our solar system. There was a study that was conducted that found that 10 to 20% of the exoplanet's mass comes from water, meaning that the planet is likely a snowball world, with the lone exception of the aforementioned watery pupil, where the exoplanet always faces its star. Conditions at the center of the watery ocean could even be quite pleasant, with the authors estimating a possible temperature at around 20 degrees Celsius. Now, further observations are currently tentative, so future glimpses at the star system will be necessary to firm up some of these details. Crazy, right? How cool is that?